Is it 5 minutes yet?
I think it's been like 5 minutes. Just set your alarm.
Okay, ladies. So after my infusion and everything, I take the cold cap off. This was on before. This was on before. Remember, I had the chin strap. Oh, and that's backwards because the name has to always go in the front. So that's how you know I had it on backwards. And the chin strap goes in the front. Name, chin strap, front. So like this, always. Okay? So now everything is over. You sit for 5 minutes and let it warm up. And so you're going to watch me as I shimmy this. Yeah. None of my hair stuck to the apparatus because of the conditioner. Okay. Stay tuned. This is round 3 and I still have my hair. Infusion 3. And my hair is growing on chemo. Is it growing, babe?
Yeah, it's getting longer.
Yeah, it's getting thicker with those vitamins I'm taking. I have some vitamins. My secret vitamins are in my book, ladies, on how to grow your hair on chemo. You should get my book on Amazon. A Girl's Guide. A Girl's Guide to Surviving. I'm sorry, A Girl's Guide to Saving Your Hair while on chemo. It's a complete guide. Step-by-step guide on Amazon. I wrote it for you ladies that are inboxing me about how I'm keeping my hair. I hope you enjoy it. Again, I'm at the hospital with the Paxman machine. 3rd infusion. My locks are still tight. Keep it like this until Saturday when she washes it. No finger combing, no finger touching, no washing for 2 weeks. No tugging, pulling for 2 weeks. Okay. So my next video will be of me cold capping at home. This is my hot week. All right, see you then.